welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cindy and this is Interior Designs with Cindy Rayo. Alright guys, in today's segment I'm going to be showing you my bed upgrade. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time. I bought my bed back in my first semester of college when I didn't really appreciate measuring, because if I did I would have realized the bed was a lot smaller than I had envisioned. So there's a couple of things that I want to do. For starters, I want to expose more of my headboard, make it seem like it's a tall one. So in order to do that, I'm going to eliminate the box board that's holding my mattress and just leave the mattress in. Once it's completed, obviously more will be exposed. But I also want to keep the same height of my bed, so I'm going to replace the leg stands that I have right now with taller ones. Before I do any of that, I'm going to replace the foundation of my bed. So I currently have 3 pieces of plywood holding it. One piece which is currently broken because my brother thought it would be super hilarious to pounce on me while I was sleeping, and the moment he did that, there went that piece of wood. So I'm going to replace those 3 pieces with brand new 6 pieces that are thicker, longer, and stronger. Once I've completed that, I'll go ahead and install the LED lights in the back of my headboard because, yes, I'm about it. I love to be extra, and why not? Now, every material that I'm using in the project, I will list it down below in the description box. I'll also have links attached to them, if not most of them. If you guys are curious how it turned out and how I got it done, keep on watching. As I am working on the baseboard, I'm going to remove my sheets and put them to wash, because who wants to lay down on dirty ones? Now to declutter and clean everything else. Ah! Ooh, my LED lights. Gotta store those in a safe place. Now to bring out the rainbow. For those who don't know, this is an amazing floor cleaner. Guys, when I get married, this is going on my registry list. Like, you don't even understand. Team Rainbow all the way. Now to take out my handy dandy drill, which by the way, I got at Walmart for $25, and it also came with a sander. How awesome is that? And now I'm just gonna casually whip out the rainbow again because, guys, I'm telling you, it makes life so amazing. Look at that. Look at the flick of the wrist. Every time I'm working on a project, I have a habit of cleaning throughout the entire project. That way I don't have a mess at the end. I grabbed a damp cloth and I cleaned the entire bed. I made sure to fit that rag anywhere I could possibly fit it to make sure that bed was squeaky clean. Plywood is in great success. I made a quick run to Home Depot. I got myself some wood, which by the way, if you buy wood from Home Depot, they'll cut it for you for free. Just make sure to bring your measurements with you. I also got brackets and spray paint. I had 2 different ways of setting up the brackets on the leg stand. One was on the side and the other one directly on top. Only because the leg stands closest to the headboard were different than the ones to the end of the bed. I also made sure to add additional brackets to the opposite side of the legs. I didn't want the brackets to be exposed, so when I drilled them, I made sure that I did them towards the inside of the bed or towards the back part of the headboard. We also installed floor protectors at the end of the leg stand. Can we just appreciate how awesome the leg stands came out and the foundation? Since I'm constantly reusing the LED lights, I wanted to find a way that I can hold them in place without permanently doing so. Because of the material on the back of my headboard, all kinds of tapes were useless, and because of the thick plywood, so were thumbtacks on their own.
On the back of the headboard, I will be screwing in pieces of corkboard to pin the LED lights on. I bought these at Walmart for $5.74. The pack comes with 4 12x12 boards. I measured 1.5 inches and then I cut them. Before screwing in the corkboards, I drilled smaller holes where the screws will be going. It makes it a lot easier for the screw to drive into the wood. Once that was completed, I began screwing in the corkboards. Now for the lights. I bought these roughly 2 years ago at Ross for $20. I like to clean them before reusing them on any project. I always make sure to have the heavier pieces such as the battery pack near the floor. That way, if it falls, the weight doesn't bring down the lights with it. Whenever installing these, you will notice a cable with a plastic tip on the end. This is where you will point your remote to change the light settings. Make sure it's exposed somewhere the connection can be easily made with the remote. I really wanted to expose the casted light from the LED lights around the headboard as much as possible, so I made sure to install the cable as close to the edge without exposing it. When pinning the lights, make sure to pin around the strip and not through it. I went in a zigzag formation with my thumbtacks to hold the strip from every direction. Once completed, it should look something like this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.